Hey friends, welcome to another episode of the CTU Newsish Wednesday broadcast with myself, Temba Robin, and today we're going to be talking about the benefits of the WSP workshop hosted by CTU. In the studio with us for the very first time, we have Natalie Almeida. How are you, Natalie?
I'm well, and you, Temba?
Lovely, I can't complain. Cool, so Natalie, can you tell us, it's about that time of year when companies need to start submitting their documents for WSP, but what is a WSP?
That's correct, Temba. Yes, companies need to submit their WSP, otherwise known as Workplace Skills Plan, and annual training reports, and the deadline is the 31st of April. And the Workplace Skills Plan is a document that compiles a history of a company's training and skills development programs they've implemented the year prior, and their projection of what they need to attain for their critical or skills programs for the year ahead.
Okay, and so who initiates this WSP?
Well, the role players for that would be anyone dealing with your skills development or learning and development. There is also independent consultants who can assist with that, such as CTU, which we can touch on a little bit later.
Okay, so if we wanted to find out a little bit more information about WSPs and the benefits of it, what can we do or where can we go?
Well, CTU will be hosting our 9th Workplace Skills Plan webinar. It's a free event, and we will be touching on how we can assist you in preparing and implementing your Workplace Skills Plan and your annual training report, and how that feeds in and streamlines into your transformation imperatives for the business. So taking into account economic inclusion, social development, as well as critical skills for the fourth industrial revolution and industry-based training that's going to be relevant to your business.
Okay, cool. Well, that sounds like there's a lot to unpack there. So I'm going to make sure I'm at that webinar. I hope you are too. But 2 quick questions. How does a client go about registering for the webinar, and when is it?
So it's on the 24th of February.
Okay.
And in order to book, you can go onto our website, which is www.ctutraining.ac.za, and make a booking there. If you're not able to make it for the 24th of February, please also just send through an inquiry on our website, whereby we can consult further with you.
Perfect. Natalie, thank you for joining us. And to everyone at home, you've learned something new today on these Newsish broadcasts. So make sure you sign up for the webinar and find out all that WSPs has to offer. Other than that, we're out for today. We will see you soon. Bye. Hey, you. Hey, yeah, you. Don't miss the next episode of the Wisdom Wednesday Newsish broadcast. Give this video a like and subscribe to CTU Training Solutions YouTube channel. And if you want to apply for any of our programs and courses, click the link in the video description below. Down there. It's down somewhere there. You guys know where to find it.